Welcome to part 9 of the 1000 verb challenge. Let's get started. Send. Send. I will send a letter to my friend. Expect. Expect. I expect my toy to arrive tomorrow. Ask. Ask. You can ask your teacher for help. Stay. Stay. Please stay here while I get the book. Fall. Fall. Be careful not to fall off the swing. Cut. Cut. He will cut the paper with scissors. Reach. Reach. Can you reach the top shelf? Kill. Kill. The cat tried to kill the mouse. Remain. Remain. Please remain quiet during the story. Suggest. Suggest. I suggest we play outside today. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 verb challenge. See you in the next video.